Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about how to find mean, median, mode, and range from a set of data. So I have a set of numbers here. Notice that they're not in order. So the very first thing that you need to do is reorder your numbers from smallest to biggest. So I'm going to do that right now. I like to kind of cross them off as I go so I make sure that I don't miss any. Okay, so I have my numbers rewritten in order from smallest to biggest. So to find the mean is where you add up all the numbers and then divide by how many there are. So I'm going to use my calculator and add up all the numbers in my data set. So 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 15 plus 22. All right, so I got 94. So when I add up all of my numbers, I got 94, and then I need to divide by how many numbers there are. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 94 divided by 8, use my calculator again. I got 11.75. So that would be my mean. So to find the mean, you're going to add up all of your numbers and then divide by how many numbers there are. To find the median is the middle. So I'm going to work my way in to find the middle number. So I like to use my pen and a finger. So it looks like 11 and 12 are in the middle. So if you have two numbers in the middle, you're going to find the average or find the middle of those two numbers. So I know the middle of 11 and 12 is 11.5. If you aren't sure what the middle is between the two numbers, you can add them up. So you could do 11 plus 12 and then divide that answer by 2. So if you have two numbers in the middle and you're not sure what the middle of those two middle numbers are, just add them together and then divide by 2. The mode is the number that you see the most often, so it's like the repeated numbers. I don't see any numbers repeated, so that means I would have no mode. So it is okay to have no mode. You can have one mode, two modes, or three modes. And then range is the biggest number minus the smallest number. So my biggest number is 22. And my smallest number is 6, so 22 minus 6 gets me 16, so 16 would be my range. Okay, we have one more example to look at. So again, very first thing, I'm going to reorder from smallest to biggest. Okay. So I have my numbers reordered, so mean, I need to add them up and divide by how many numbers there are. So I got 49, and I have to divide by how many numbers are in my data set. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 49 divided by 9, I'm going back to my calculator. I got 5.4 repeating. So I'm just going to round it to two decimal places, so 5.44. If you wrote 5.4, that would be fine. So one or two decimal places would be great. Just make sure you're rounding if it needs it. So median, I'm working my way into the middle. So it looks like this 5 is my middle. So there's only one number in the middle, so that's all I have to do. Mode, the number I see most often. So I see 2 1s and I see 2 5s. So I'm actually going to have two modes in this case, so 1 and a 5. If I had like another 1 here, then 1 would be my only mode because there'd be 3 of those and only 2 5s. And then range, my biggest number is 12, smallest number is 1. So 12 minus 1 is 11.